Hello there everybody, and today we are reviewing the Dapol 57XX in London Transport livery number 94. Hi there and welcome to the Kiln line. Today we are reviewing this 57XX by Dapol in O gauge. This example is a London Transport livery numbered 94. Take the lid off, and inside we've got the owner's guide, which is going to give you all the information regarding running in, DCC fitting, all your sound functions, which I'm going to need later. So put that over to one side. Next in there is the owner's guide, which tells you the history of the locomotive, and the warranty from Dapol. So as you can see, the locomotive's in its ice cube packaging inside the nice foam and sturdy box that Dapol normally provide their locomotives in. Their newer locomotives come in this horrible plastic cradle thing, and I wish they'd go back to this. But yeah, this locomotive in itself, just take it out of that top sleeve, and we'll take it out of the main cradle, and here we go. The London Transport pannier number 94. As you can see, the detail is absolutely stunning. There's a toolbox on the side, the lining, everything's really nicely picked out. The whistle, see the whistle up there? The decoration, the overhead line warning sign there. Underneath, you can see the valve gear. That does actually operate when in service. Well, when you're running it, obviously you can't see it, but it's on my other pannier tank as well. Let's get the loco on the scales and we'll see how heavy she is. So, she weighs a whopping 757 grams. Well, that should give her the pulling power she needs. As you can see here, the locomotive's decoration is absolutely gorgeous with the yellow lining and the maroon paintwork. See the toolbox on the side, you can see all the various pipes and valves on the outside of the locomotive, lamp irons, the safety valves, the bonnet, the smoke box, and the couplings. So now we can look at the locomotive in a bit more detail. This locomotive is fitted with sprung buffers. Unlike the smaller scales such as OO and N gauge, sprung buffers are a must in O gauge as they are used for shunting and navigating corners. The whistle detail on the top is absolutely amazing. The cab doors on the side of the locomotive are able to be open and closed. If you take the magnetic roof off, you can see that it has full interior detail in the cab. If you want something to listen to while you're doing your model railway tasks, head on over to Spotify and find the Rail Replacement Podcast. Head over to my friend Hilton's channel, Proper Chuffed, for double O gauge reviews, and head on over to N Gauge USA for Dan's reviews on N gauge stock. And I want to give a shout out to Tom's Modelling Corner, who has always been a wealth of inspiration to myself. Go over to his channel and see what he has to offer. So, let's get this locomotive onto the track and see what its sound functions are. And now we go off to do some running.
Grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking lead from this big satin. Somewhere we'll be miles away. On the red sky we'll be melting.
So, in summary for the Dapol 57XX, as you can tell, I'm quite a fan of this locomotive. The details are superb, such as the livery application and the interior detail in the cab. The sounds are fantastic and replicate that of the real thing nicely. These are the default sounds supplied by Dapol and it just doesn't disappoint. The only downside I see about this Dapol locomotive, and the steam locomotives in general by Dapol, is the lack of a metal screw-link coupling. Plastic buns just do not hold up. All in all though, these locomotives are a credit to the Dapol name and affordable low gauge models. Full to the brim with fine details and amazing paintwork. Well done Dapol, and what I consider to be an amazing model. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see and hear about more updates on the Kiln line.